Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on search privacy on your account on Pinterest, easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click here, now click settings and here you'll find privacy and data settings, click on it and here as you see you'll find it, search privacy, just click on it like this and click it, I understand. That's it, it will be turned on. And that's how to turn on search and search privacy on your account on Pinterest, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.